So in this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how to buy a results checker, that is WASSCE or BECE results checker, using MTN mobile money. I don't know if this is working on Vodafone or Tigo, but this actually works on MTN. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So you go to your phone or your dial pad and then you type in *170#. That is the normal MTN code. When the menu appears, you choose number 2, that is pay bill. You go ahead to choose number 6, that is general payments, and then they will ask you for a payment code. Under the payment code, you are going to type in money click, and the click is as shown like this, that is the money click, and then you send. Now they will ask you for the payment, and the amount is 8 cedis, so you send, and they will ask you for a reference, and the reference you type in Waec like that, and then you send. So over here you've been a payment to general payments with the account name, money click with reference, blah blah blah, and then over here you type in your PIN, and then the results checker will be delivered to you in a message form, right? So you go ahead and then you type in your PIN and the message will be delivered to you, as simple as that. So you can use that for your WASSCE or BECE results checking. In my next video, I'm going to demonstrate how to check your results online after you've purchased the results checker. So you come back and watch that one too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another video. Bye.